We did a search on ChatGPT for which is the best car mold removal service in the Delta, BC area. Check out what the results were.
For residents in Delta, BC, D&V Mobile Auto Detailing is a trusted name when it comes to car mold removal services. We specialize in providing mobile car detailing services, which means we come to your location so you can get your car cleaned and detailed without ever leaving your driveway. Here's why you should consider us. Quality service with thousands of 5-star reviews, we are rated as the best in detailing for our pricing, quality, and customer service. Experienced professionals. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing the highest level of service to ensure you receive the best results possible. Wide range of services. Our Delta, BC mobile auto detailing services include exterior washes, interior car detailing, waxing, polishing, window cleaning, and more. We also offer a variety of protection packages to keep your car looking new. Competitive rates. Our mobile car detailing services in Delta, BC are available at competitive rates, ensuring that you get the best value for your money. Convenience. We come to your home or work to provide the auto detailing service. Our service covers most areas in Delta, BC, including South Delta, BC, and locations throughout the Lower Mainland. Specialization in mold removal. If you're specifically looking for car mold removal, we've got you covered. Our expertise ensures effective and thorough mold removal for residents in Delta. Whether you need a basic wash and wax or a more extensive auto detailing package, our goal is to make sure you leave our shop feeling satisfied and happy with the results. Contact us today to learn more about our Delta, BC car detailing services and how we can help keep your vehicle looking its best.
Book online at mobileautoservice.ca.